Hi, everyone, and welcome to Introduction to AI for Business. My name is Matt Goodwin, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm truly excited to be on this learning journey with you, and whether you're here because you're curious about artificial intelligence, you're exploring your career in business, or just checking off a requirement, this course is built for you. A little bit about me. I've worked with companies like Apple, Sony Studios, Paramount, BMW, Rolls-Royce, Audi, and most recently Subaru, helping them use technology and build AI stacks. I'm proud to say that I was able to be a part of the team that first put iPads in hospitals for patient care. And recently, I've been specializing in AI implementation and integration to solve real business challenges. I've built tech stacks, I've implemented automation tools, and I've helped organizations streamline how they work. And now I get to share some of that knowledge with you. I know I may not look like your typical tech nerd, but I promise you I'm obsessed with AI and what it can do. And by the end of this course, I think you might be too. What exactly is this course about? Well, let's talk about it. At its core, it's an introduction to artificial intelligence. And we're not looking at it from a programmer's or computer science point of view, but rather from a business perspective. You're not going to be writing code. Instead, you're going to learn how to recognize AI in the world around you, understand what it can and can't do, explore how business is, everything from local mom and pop shops all the way to Fortune 500 companies are using AI to innovate, automate, and grow. We'll explore how AI shows up in areas like marketing and customer service, finance and operations, human resources and hiring, education, healthcare, government, and more. We'll also talk about the ethical questions like bias, transparency, data privacy, because responsible AI use is just as important as knowing what a tool can do. Throughout the course, you're going to get hands-on experience with real AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Synthesia, and others, and you'll see how they work and how you can use them in your own future career, whatever that may be. Now, this course is designed for everyone, especially those who don't consider themselves tech people. If the term machine learning or generative AI sounds intimidating, don't worry. We're going to break everything down in simple and easy to understand terms. But by the end of this course, you're going to be able to define key AI concepts in plain language. We're going to be able to identify real world AI applications in different industries, evaluate the benefits and challenges of using AI in the workplace, and use real AI tools to solve business problems. You don't need a technical background, okay? You just need curiosity and a willingness to learn. Now, with that being said, I may even be able to show you some ways that even though you don't have a technical background, you too can become a coder. Pretty interesting thought. So, this course is going to be 8 weeks long. It's fully online and it's 100% asynchronous, meaning you can work through the material on your schedule each week. Now, here's what you can expect. There's going to be weekly readings and short videos. We're going to have a discussion board to connect you with your classmates, a quiz to help you reinforce what you've learned, or an assignment, as well as additional real world application case studies. Now, one thing I do want to mention, you're going to complete a final project, and that's going to be where everything kind of comes together. So you'll either analyze how a real company is using AI, or you're going to pitch an AI tool for a business idea. So there's going to be some flexibility there based off of what interests you most. The other thing I want you to know is that yes, there's deadlines, and deadlines, due dates are there to keep us on track, to make sure that we continue our forward momentum. But I know life happens. Believe me, I know. So while due dates help us to stay on track, I care more about your learning and success than rigid deadlines. So what I ask is that if something comes up, just communicate with me. I'm here to support you. If you communicate with me openly, I'll be able to find the best way to support you and ensure your success in this class. Now, I'm genuinely excited for the weeks ahead. AI is one of the most transformative technologies of our time, and you're getting ahead of the curve by learning about it now. So whether you're headed into business, healthcare, marketing, government, entrepreneurship, understanding AI is going to give you a competitive edge. So here's your first step. We're going to head over to the week one module, introduce yourself in the discussion board in your first assignment, and jump into your first discussion board post. Let's make this a space where we can learn, grow, and get a little curious together. Thanks for being here. I'm glad you chose this course, and I can't wait to see what you'll discover. I'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.